Hello everyone, in today's video we shall take a look at Hotion. It is a HR recruiting website that is built inside of Notion. We shall take a look at it from a candidate point of view. So let's get started. So as a candidate or a student, you would be having something in mind that you would really be interested in and you want to apply for the job. So you can go straight to the top over here and which says search. So click on it and you can type in the kind of job that you're looking for. In this instance, I'm going to type in product, and we have a list of different product jobs that are available, which is a count of 5, which is quite narrowed down. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the last one as a product designer in a company for citizen shipper. So it's in Mumbai and it's just been created 3 days ago. It is quite nice. It's still quite new, and I'm going through all of the description that I have listed, which is quite nice, and it's still in my portfolio and I really like the job. So I've read every single point that they have listed, that the recruiter has listed in this job description. I'm really 100% fully satisfied and interested in this job. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my name over here, Emma, and Emma at, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit submit. So now we have submitted our candidate application to the recruiter. Maybe within a few days we would get in another application form from the recruiter side that would be a form that would consist of personal details and a portfolio that we have to fill in. So let's go ahead and wait for that application to come in our Notion inbox. So I've just received an application form that has all my details. It came along with my name and my email ID, and it has all these blank fields that I have to fill in order for me to apply for the job. So let's go ahead and do that. So as for skills, I am going to go for Figma, AI, PS, HTML, CSS. So I'll just remove these. Alright. Indian, years of experience is 2 years. My date of birth is 97, August 12th. Yeah, that should do it. And my skills will be Figma. Add a new skill right here, and design and AI. Adobe Illustrator, and my degree is BCA. Let's go ahead and attach my resume. There we go. So let's go ahead and attach a photo as well. Choose the file. There we go. Why do you think you are the perfect candidate? So I am determined and have an eye for detail and design. Yeah, that should do. So yeah, this is basically my application form that I'm going to be sending to the recruiter, who will then hire me for the job. But for now, I'll just wait till I get feedback from the recruiter if I'm selected or not. So basically, I'll be getting my feedback or my evaluation in this tabular column. So so we shall see what happens then. So now the candidate has applied for the job. The candidate has also filled in an application form, as you can see right here. And now the recruiter and the admin has changed the permission from edit to view, which is a good sign, because over here we can see that the recruiter has evaluated Emma. So let's go ahead and see. But here is the good news. You can also see the status directly underneath all of the information that we have provided to the recruiter, and it's also been evaluated by Jane and C, which is pretty cool. So Emma would be really happy. Open this up, the page, and there's a lot of points that Emma would really like to consider and improve herself as well. And what did you like about the candidate? Emma is really well spoken, has a lot of skills, and a place where Emma would really focus on is focus on one skill and learn that thoroughly at a time. One skill at a time. And other comments for Emma is none, which is really pretty cool. So Emma as a candidate is selected for the product designer job, which is really cool. So yeah, so this is everything that you would see from a candidate's perspective when you use Hotion, which is really straightforward and simple actually. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.